decided to jump on the bandwagon and I bought 2 boxes of Winnie the Pooh Disney pins. And we're gonna open and see what we get. So each box contains 2 pins, and looks like there's several Tiggers, which is my favorite, and Eeyore and Pooh and Piglet and some other ones. So let's see what we get. Let's open it up. Okay, and just like all the other ones, it looks like they're in a bag. So I want a Tigger. So let's see what we get. And we have Piglet. And it says, hold tight. Life is full of ups and downs. That's cute. Okay, let's see what our next one is. So, all right. Won't look. Can't really tell what they are as far as feeling them because I've never seen them before. So, trying to get the thing open. Okay. Not looking. All right. And we have another Piglet. Hold, dear. So we have 2 Piglets. Okay, let's open up our other box. Hopefully we don't have any duplicates. But if we do, I'm going to Magic Kingdom tomorrow and I can trade. All right, same box. Let's get the first one out. Here we go. Ah, it's Pooh Bear. And it says, let's begin by taking a smallish nap or 2. I agree. That is too cute. I love this one. All right, here's our last one. Now these boxes, it was 2 for $22.99. All right, here we go. They make it seem a little easier than it really is. Not looking. Okay. And that looks like Eeyore. Yay. So we all have our little ways. Too cute. And I actually got to meet Eeyore and Pooh Bear today. Really cute pins. I like these. I don't know if I want to trade any of them. I also bought some other pins. And I happened to mention my favorite is Tigger. So I got a Tigger. I also wanted to get one that encompasses all of Disney World. So we have all 4 of the parks. And then my last pin that I got was 2025. And what's really kind of cool about this pin is it's movable. So we have all of the different characters. Too cute. So that's my little pin haul. I don't have any duplicates, which are great. And I don't think I want to trade any.